Guys, welcome to Quality Offers. Today we are going to review Dairy Milk Lickables. Cadbury DairyMilk Lickables. Let's get started. Okay, I received the package from Amazon.in, so we are going to unbox it now. Let's keep this box aside. Okay, this is the package. It contains 12 Dairy Milk Lickables. Each cost 40 rupees. Okay, you can see here Dairy Milk Lickables, and it also has a gift. You can give the toys, and here also it contains the list of toys. The one is Superman, Batman, and another one I don't know. Okay, let's unbox it. Actually, it contains 12 Dairy Milk Lickables in it. This package cost it 460 rupees approx. I will leave the link below in the description so that you can buy it. Okay, I got my Dairy Milk Lickables. Let's keep this box aside. Okay, this is the Dairy Milk Lickables. This net weight gram is 20 gram. You can see here 20 gram. Okay, this part contains lickable ice cream, cream, and this part contains toys. Okay, let's unbox and taste it. You need to just pull this open and then pull it as hard as you can. Then you got it, two pieces, and here is our toy. Let's first unbox our toy and then we'll begin eating. For this we're using scissors. Warning, scissors are sharp. Well, I have got some key bunch. I don't know the name of this, but some key bunch. And also I have got a spoon to eat Dairy Milk Lickables. Okay, let's start eating and see how it tastes. This is the Dairy Milk Lickables. Okay, this is the Lickables. Here we have the spoon. You need to hold it like this and take it and taste it. It costs 40 rupees. It's a value for money. I think your kid likes it. Yeah, it is awesome. Okay, thank you for watching. Hi guys, here are some of the other toys you'll get in Dairy Milk Lickables. This is the key bench I already showed you, and this is some tag, some Superman tag I guess, and this is a statue of Superman, Batman, I don't know, maybe it's a Batman. Thank you.